BurryBeds, sing and play.
Close your eyes, the night is near. Dreamland whispers, soft and clear. Stars are twinkling in the sky, waving gently, come don't be shy. On a rainbow ship we'll sail, through the clouds we'll leave a trail. Teddy bears and dolls will ride, singing songs side by side. Unicorns with wings of gold tell us stories new and old. Fairy lights will guide the way through the night till break of day. Candy castles, rivers sweet, magic carpets for our feet. Talking stars will laugh and play. Stay with us till morning's ray. Sleep, dear child, so warm, so deep. Dreamland hugs you as you sleep. Moonlight sings a lullaby. Good night, world beneath the sky.
Thanks for watching BurryBeds. Bye-bye!